What happens when you let the struggle go? When you can let the struggle go and you can say maybe to yourself or maybe even out loud, you know what? I just don't quite get this. I've been working at my business, I've been trying to marketing, and for some reason, I'm just not getting this. When you can say that to yourself or out loud, you're going to open a doorway, not just for you being in lack of knowledge or lack of skills, but maybe you're going to open it up and someone out there is going to say, hey, I've got this and that. I can help you. I can help you with your marketing. I can help you with your advertising, which is part of marketing. I can help you with to learn these skills. That's going to open that door. When you're open to receiving the knowledge and the skills that you need, you're going to open more and more doors. And not just that, get this, guys, this is going to put you in the receiving mode. When you can be in the receiving mode, it's all in the Bible, it's all in scripture. When you can receive, you give. When you give, you receive. It is a cycle, it is a circle of evolving. And it's all about where we're going, what we're doing, and who we are. So be that person who you are right now, who is learning the skills you need to grow your business, to have the success. Maybe you're just right there. Maybe you're investing in real estate. Maybe you are having an online business and you're being an affiliate, which is affiliate is you're selling other people's products, which is fabulous. You don't have to have an inventory. Maybe you're a digital marketer. Whatever it is, you have to have skills to do it. So learn those skills and don't be afraid to put your hand up and say, hey, I don't get it. I don't understand. And with the AI technology that's coming out, this is a whole nother skill that we need to learn. We need to learn how to operate the AI, how to use it to our benefit, and how to get out there in front of it so the AI doesn't just pass us by, which is going to happen to a lot of us out there if we're not careful. So take a look at where you're going. Use your mindset to keep your focus on track and in order, giving, receiving, and being in tune. Everything we want is attracted back to us based on the emotions, the thoughts, and the feelings that we have is what we are attracting back to us. So as you're growing your business, as you're out there and you're saying, I am a marketer, I am being successful, that's okay. But be in that tune of being and be positive.